Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students. Today we will be continuing with the components of financial market. And in the last lecture, we have finished with the capital market, the very first component of capital market, that was primary market. And today in this lecture, we'll be starting with the secondary market. So let me share my screen. So secondary market or the stock market. What exactly is secondary market? We can say from the name itself, it is a place for sale and purchase of existing securities. That means the securities which were primarily created in the primary market, they are ultimately sold and purchased in the secondary market. Now, it enables an investor to adjust his holdings of securities in response to the change in his assessment about risk and return. So that means the secondary market is meeting your twin objective. Number one, that in case you have certain stocks with you, you have certain securities lying with you, you are in need of money, you can get them converted into cash. That is your liquidity need, right? You can sell them in the secondary market and you can convert them into the cash, and it will help in meeting your liquidity needs. Secondly, if you wish to earn some appreciation on your capital, the another way is you can buy the securities in the secondary market, keeping in mind the analysis of those particular securities. So that means secondary market is a place which is helping you out with your broad investment objective of capital appreciation and liquidity needs. It essentially comprises the stock exchanges. Obviously, when we are talking about market as a place, so that means if I talk about India, I say where does this secondary market is situated? So basically, secondary market is a place of stock exchange. When I talk about Bombay Stock Exchange, I can say that that is a stock exchange where you can buy and sell your securities. But nowadays, with the advent of online mechanism, all the stock exchanges, they are taking the shape of virtual places, right? Which basically provide a platform for trading of securities and a host of intermediaries who assist in trading of securities and clearing and settlement of trades. The securities are traded, cleared, and settled as per the prescribed regulatory framework under the supervision of the exchanges and the regulatory body, that is Security Exchange Board of India. It is a market where securities are traded, as I am telling you. That is why it is known as the secondary market, the second market. The first market is the primary market and the second market is the secondary market. Right. Another name, the common name of secondary market is stock market or stock exchange. It is a well-regulated and active stock market which promotes capital formation. So you can see that your objective of capital formation, capital appreciation, and liquidity, these three objectives are beautifully met in the secondary market. Now, certain interesting facts about Indian stock market so that you can have an interest in the secondary market. You can learn and you can earn also from the market. So Bombay Stock Exchange is the Asia's first stock exchange, which was started back in 1875. It is the biggest stock exchange in the world in terms of number of listed companies, and it has over 5,500 listed companies that make it the largest in the world. So that is indeed a big achievement for India as a country, wherein we are having a marketplace where more than 5,000 companies are being able to get their shares, to get their securities traded on an online platform. Presently, BSE has online platform. That means you can buy and sell because we are in the DMAT format. We will discuss about it in the coming classes. But for this lecture, we should be just understanding that when I am talking about the secondary market, market means a place. So where is that place? In our case, it is the Bombay Stock Exchange. There are other exchanges also. I am talking about the biggest exchange in the world, that is Bombay Stock Exchange. When the Indian cricket team lost, stock prices fall. So mere 1% of the population make investments in the financial assets, that is shares, debentures, and mutual funds in India. Why so? The reason for the same is lack of financial literacy. People are not actually aware of that how to make this trade of buying and selling. People generally misunderstood buying and selling of securities with some tangible buying and selling. For example, if you are into a business of say buying and selling of cloth, you cannot use the same things for buying and selling of a security. And the reason is that because of lack of financial literacy, people are not actually aware of, and that is why they are not actually able to make investments and earn profit in the stock market. Obviously, no market can play in isolation. So similarly, as we have done with the key players in the primary market, on the similar lines, we have players in the secondary market also. In the secondary market, obviously, when I say that's a market where the trading of securities take place, meaning thereby there has to be certain buyers of a security and there has to be certain sellers of the securities. So in secondary market, there must be certain people who want to sell something and there might be certain people who want to buy it. Now, those people can take the form of the individual investors, they can take the form of a company, of a mutual fund, of insurance company, a fund manager. Similarly, on the buying side, the same parties can be there. So if you look at this diagram carefully, you can see that on the secondary market, we have someone who wants to sell, that is the fund manager, for example, the fund manager. And then there is an investment bank where the sales, trading, and research take place. And that is done to the stock exchange or the OTC platform. OTC is over-the-counter platform. We will discuss at a length in the coming lectures. And then we have on the other side someone who wants to buy it, right? So want to sell and want to buy. In between the mechanism is the secondary market. Investment banks help facilitate the trade in shares and bonds. Let us understand the stock market, a place where the shares of the public listed companies are traded. That means I should be clear about this thing that my shares would be available on the stock once my company is a public listed company. The primary market is where the companies float shares to the general public in the IPO to raise capital. So that means I have a primary market does not have a particular place. Primary market does not have a physical place, right? It is a virtual place actually, right? Here in the companies are, because in the primary market is the market for new issue market. It is a market where the companies, they are floating their shares to the general public in the form of IPO, and the primary purpose is to raise capital. In the layman's language, I can put it like this way, that in the primary market, the securities are actually being formed by following the guidelines of the SEBI. जैसे for example, हम इसको ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं, जैसे for example, कपड़ा है, for example, cloth. Now, for example, in the textile industry, right? अगर मेरी टेक्सटाइल मिल है तो वहां पे मैं कपड़ा बना रही हूँ, लेकिन मैं सेल कहाँ करूंगी उसको? मार्केट में, दुकानों पर वो कपड़ा पहुंचाया जाएगा. तो उस केस में मैं कह सकती हूँ कि मेरी जो टेक्सटाइल मिल है, जिसको मैं फैक्ट्री बोलती हूँ, यहाँ पे टेक्सटाइल मिल एक मेरी एक प्राइमरी मार्केट हो गई, और जो मैं दुकानों की बात कर रही हूँ, होलसेलर्स की बात कर रही हूँ, टेलर्स की बात कर रही हूँ, वो मेरे हो गए एक तरह के सेकेंडरी मार्केट. Third, it facilitates stockbrokers to trade company stocks and other securities. A stock may be bought or sold only if it is listed on the stock exchange. The meeting place of the buyers and sellers, India's premier stock exchanges are the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange. In the coming days, we'll be visiting the websites of BSE and NSE also, and we will get to know that how big these markets are, how big these secondary markets are, and how many activities are actually involved. So this diagram is beautifully explaining the stock market working. This is a stock exchange, the primary market, right? Company stock listing, shares been issued to the public in the form of IPO, and funds for business requirement are being given back to the company stock listing. Moving ahead, let us understand the importance of stock market. Stock market is one of the most important part of the economy of a country. The stock market exists so that companies can raise money without incurring any debt. Because in the stock market, as I have discussed in the initial, that this is the market where you can achieve your trio objective of capital formation, capital appreciation, and liquidity. So that means if you are into capital formation, another way, generally, whenever we think of starting a business, we think of starting a business only and only through the form of taking debt from the bank. But this market is giving me an option that I can raise money in the form of IPO without incurring any debt. Company issue shares to the public in what is known as IPO, or the initial public offering. If there are more people buying a stock than people selling it, the price goes up with the demand. So that means, see, simultaneously, the stock market is important because simultaneously it is giving you an edge of raising your money without incurring debt. Secondly, the ready market for buying and selling, right? So that means once your shares are there in the market, they can be bought and sold and they can be traded then and there only, right? Once the IPO is there and once the IPO is launched, and then IPO is book built, and then IPO is being distributed by the among the interested shareholders, then they can be traded easily on the stock market. So let us understand the overview of stock market working. First, company lists, right? Primary market, issue IPOs, shares are distributed, and then the secondary market trading begins. This is what I have just discussed with you, that once the IPO is launched, right, and then the shares are distributed, and once they are distributed, the secondary market trading begins. And nowadays it is not a very lengthy process, right? Till the time we were into the physical form of share trading, this process used to take months and months, but now this process has curtailed down to only few of the days, right? So there is one more diagram beautifully showing the stock market working. We will discuss in detail tomorrow on the stock market working. You can place your order, broker send it to the exchange, and then the exchange find the counterparty, exchange confirm to the broker, and broker finally debit or credit your account. So this is how your order is processed on the stock market. Thank you so much.